everyone, welcome to Vajiram and Ravi's Data Stories, your one-stop solution for value addition in terms of data. In today's session, we are going to continue the series for infrastructure, and in today's part, we are going to address aviation as well as airports. So when we are looking at the data for Indian aviation and logistics, what we get to see here broadly is the operational airports have seen a monumental jump from 74 airports to 159 airports. Almost they have doubled up in number. We are seeing the increase of 115%, where 93 of these airports are under UDAN. We have addition of 15 heliports and also 2 water aerodromes. As of now, India stands as the third largest market globally. Now, when we are looking at the air passengers of this financial year that has just completed, we are looking at the number of 411 million. When we are looking at the year-on-year increase, we are looking at 9%. Whereas when we are looking at freight increase, we are seeing at the addition of 10.5%. India happens to be one of the fastest growing market of the air passengers, 6.9% when we were looking at 2024. We are aiming to get 1 billion passengers at this number for 2040. Now, when we are looking at the next parameter, a very important one, UDAN passengers. So, when we are looking at this scheme, which was launched with the idea of for facilitating air travel for common man, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, the UDAN passengers as of Feb 2026 stand at 159 lakh. We have 3.34 lakh flights under UDAN, 657 routes, and when we are looking at total since the launch, it is somewhere around 1.62 crores. Now, airport CapEx, that is capital expenditure, especially between 2020 to 25, has been around 91,000 CR, which has been put in by AAI, Airport Authority of India, private developers and more, and most of it has been utilized already, and a big addition was 100% FDI in scheduled airlines. Automatic is up to 49%, but FDI has been allowed till 100%. Total infra capex for the financial year 2025 has been more than 11 lakh crore. That means we are looking at almost 3.4% of the GDP, and also an increase in the total infra capex by 11% as compared to the last year. But this is not the first time that we are seeing. Fourth consecutive increase in terms of infra capex has been presented in front of us. Now, let us do some detailing on this. The first thing that we are going to address is the airport network. We have already seen that the increase stands at 159, but across the years, 74 to 100 airports till 2018 to 21, 128, and as of now we are looking at 159 plus actually. Air passenger traffic from the financial year 14, 131 million to more than 411 million. As of now, India happens to be the third largest domestic aviation market which is present globally. A lot of contribution here to the global traffic in terms of 4.2% contribution. Indigo still dominates the domestic share, where it contributes to the 64.4%, which is clearly understood by the chaos unfolded when Indigo had to cancel flight just last December that we saw. Now, when we are looking at the UDAN specifically, what we get to see that the cumulative progress has been humongous, especially in terms of the VGF that has been disbursed somewhere around more than 4,000 crores. When we are looking at aerodromes that have been connected, 93 including 15 heliports, and when we are looking at modified UDAN which has been announced in this very budget, we have 120 new destination, 4 crore passengers in next 10 years. 10 more ports will be operational in this very year, and Bihar is getting 3 greenfield and 2 brownfield projects as well. Now, let us look at other parameters such as fleet orders, more than 1700 plus as of now. Women pilots only contribute somewhere between 13 to 18%, and as of now MRO target is $4 billion. But bigger challenges in front of aviation, such as airport density is low as compared to global peers, because we are seeing 47 per million for US, which is very low in our country. UDAN VGF sustainability is very limited. MRO gap, maintenance done is outside India. Indigo has a duopoly risk because it is holding a huge share of market. Demand supply extensive mismatch, pilot shortage, and biggest factor that we have known forever, high air turbine fuel prices. There have been some major reforms in this particular sector such as Bharatiya Vayuyan Adhiniyam 2024, Protection of Interest of Aircraft Objects Bill, ACAO Standards Alignment, Drone Rules, PLI for drones and more, including the 100% FDI. Now that was all for today. We will be continuing infrastructure series in the next part. Thank you so much.